That's it. That's it. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? I hope to see you tomorrow down at the parlor coming in.
Ah.
You know they got one tomorrow at the parlor.
Okay. They redone it to tomorrow, didn't they?
Yeah, I went last Sunday, but there was still a lot of people there.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you been, man?
Good.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
You gonna walk way up there?
I'm a kind of, hey, my legs now.
I know, man. Hey, I know what you're saying, brother. Look at my battery's going down.
Oh.
But I got my other camera in my car. My car is right behind you. That SUV. That's Santa Fe. That's me.
Yeah.
I always carry a backup, brother. Yeah, I was looking for you last Saturday down to the parlor. I knew they had canceled it, but I said, well, let me go down there anyway, and I'm glad I went.
Okay, I got there a little late. I got there, but yeah. I didn't see you.
I got there around about 8, maybe a little bit after 8, and I left around about 10.
Okay.
Because they had a lot of motorcycles down there.
Yeah.
So you know I seen all the motorcycles. I got all the motorcycles. They had motorcycles right there where you parked, right there on that walkway.
Yeah.
And then they had motorcycles in the back near the restaurant. Yeah, I got all that.
Yeah.
You know me, I don't miss too much. I don't miss too much.
You're the man.
Oh yeah, no doubt, man. Where your buddy at, man? Where's the owl at? I ain't seen Al in a while, man.
He's been kind of down himself.
Oh, really?
And then his car been down. It's been in the shop a lot.
Okay.
He's been having, you go through that stage.
Yeah.
My daughter's starting to shoot
video.
Taking over from me, and she's doing good.
Good,
she's
man.
learning too. I'm
Good.
learning stuff. Yeah.
Good. This is my second video. This one here is, how many minutes is that? Is that 29 or 20, almost 30 minutes long?
Uh-huh. Wow.
So I'm going to wrap it up on this one to get my other one out. I'm going to keep going, man.
Okay.
I got to get their content. Say, man, what happened to that dude who used to drive that it's called that Fireball 700?
I ain't seen him in a while.
You know who I'm talking about?
Yeah.
That older dude? I ain't seen him in over a year, man.
That sucker's wicked too, yeah.
I got him and you in a lot of my videos, man. Oh yeah. Last time I seen him was at Santa Fe.
Okay.
That was over a year ago. That was over a year ago.
Something like that, I think so. Yeah.
That's the last time I seen that dude, man.
Wow.
I don't think I've seen him out here.
Okay.
I don't think so.
See, I hadn't been out here. This might be my second time.
Really? It's a long way from your house, too?
It is, but my car been everything.
Oh. Look at that. That's nice. Mustang Sally. I got a little line up here like they used to have at Rim Park. A little line up. Yeah. I'm going to drain this battery all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I still got a little.
I need to back my car up just a little bit.
Huh?
I got space back there. I think I'm going to back it up a little bit.
Let me get that cold start. Let me get that cold start. No, go ahead and get in. I'll go around. That's it. Huh? Yeah. I'll bring you back, man. Just follow me. I'll tell you when to come on back. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
He gonna give me a cold start.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Good, brother. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Huh? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Where is it?
Look at this Riviera.
What you got? Oh, shit, let me get them on here. Oh, that's nice.
You can't go wrong on any.
Oh, no, that's beautiful, man. I like that Riviera. You need a low ride, that one, man. Low rider, LA, baby. There we go. Hellcat, there you go. Hell Kitty. There you go. Yo, brother, you got a nice car, man.
Thanks, man.
I got to give it to you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Oh, yeah, come on. Wet Willie. Yo, 06, there you go. I don't film children, man. I don't film little kids. Nope. You ain't gonna get them calling me, or he look at him, he out there filming little kids. I don't do that, man. I ain't getting my ass jammed up. That's one thing I learned a long time ago. Don't film kids.
I'm learning about
No.
that mind.
You see, I turned my camera all the way around. I ain't doing that. Because they'll eat me up in my comment section. Oh, why you filming little kids? I thought you filming cars.
You got restrictions.
Oh, yeah.
Rules and regulations.
You know him?
Uh-huh.
What's his name, man?
His name, I forget his name. Yeah. I seen Dan a while ago. Yeah, he's here. Yeah. Good to see you. Sound good. That's the problem I have.
What's up?
Until I get it fixed.
Is that all? Okay. Oh, okay. Is this brand new? Is this new, brother?
Yes, sir.
What you do? I ain't never seen a duty like this. Yeah.
Bad, man.
Can I film you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Where you work at, man?
Lifted trucks.
Okay.
Out there on Northwest Expressway, man. Come see us.
Gotcha. I appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Ma'am, are you a YouTuber? You. I'm a YouTuber. I love doing this. You love doing this too, filming cars?
I love cars.
Me too.
My dad's a mechanic.
Oh, is that right? Yeah. Yeah, I've been coming out here since they started. They used to be at Remington Park.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then they came here.
Well, they got the derby going on at the park right now.
Oh, you gonna go to it?
No. Those tickets cost way too much.
I ain't bothered no derby. Look at, why come them tires are like that?
It's a thing that they do in Japan. It's so you can street race.
Really? So you can't street with? I'm like, I was getting ready to believe you, because I don't know.
They do it in Japan.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's how they set it up?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that Viper. I like that Viper, man.
And I looked at his location.
So you're a professional photographer? Really?
Went to college for it.
There you go. My battery's almost down.
Oh no.
That's okay. That's what this is for. This is a whole battery. This whole thing.
That is so awesome.
It costs $100, but it's worth it. I don't have to keep changing battery. Just plug that in. Oh, look at this thing. What's up, man? I see him. You know, they got a car show at the parlor down. You know what the parlor is downtown?
No.
Tomorrow. I'll tell you in a minute. Hold on. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Good. You going to the parlor tomorrow?
Huh?
You going back there to the parlor tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, man. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's nasty. Ooh, that's nasty. You hear that nasty thing? That thing is nasty.
Yeah.
He was at the parlor last week.
Okay.
Yeah, he was down there. He said he's going to be down there tomorrow.
Okay. Hey,
Yes, sir.
JDMs are late.
Who?
The JDMs.
I don't even know who they are. Who are they? What they drive?
That's the Japanese domestic.
Oh, Japan. Okay,
imports.
gotcha. What time? We ain't gonna have nowhere to park. Where they gonna park at?
I'm already parked.
They probably be over there somewhere. Park over there.
Yeah.
What's up, girl? I love your car. Sound good out here. Thank you. Ooh, that's nasty. I like that nasty. I get excited. These cars make me excited. Oh, look at that SS right there, guys. Look, check out that SS. Oh, that's nice. I am. All right, guys, it's Uncle Mike 3, and I'm going to shut it down and go get my other camera and start another. I'll see you guys on the other side. Late.